how to find viewing and sharing settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find viewing and sharing settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then just click this one here, profile and tagging. And now just here you can find it, viewing and sharing, and you can manage like who can post on your profile and who can see what others post on your profile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.